Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, we are going to be doing top-down analysis on BTC USD. While watching this video, make sure to click on the subscribe button so you can be notified whenever I drop a new video. You can also like, share, comment your thoughts on the top-down analysis. And if you want to trade exactly the way I do, if you want to understand fully my entry model, how I navigate the market 100%, I organize a 1-month mentorship, which is at a very good and affordable price without wasting much of our time. So you can message me on WhatsApp at 081 37 17 0348. Without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So let's clear this up first. Now, BTC USD, if you want to do your top-down analysis on, especially on pairs like BTC USD, I would advise you to always start your top-down from your daily time frame, so you can see the bigger picture of what is happening. So you are not just confused on what is happening in the lower time frame and then also what is happening in the higher time frame. The higher time frame will always give you a clearer picture. So in our daily time frame, we will notice that this is our last high right here. This is our last high in our daily time frame. This is our last high, and you will notice that when the market did something like this, there was a push down from this level, a low, a retracement, a push down, a retracement, a bearish move, a retracement, and now another bearish move, and now we are getting another retracement. So basically, in our daily time frame, we are well notified that BTC is basically still in a downtrend. BTC is still selling for long term, but that doesn't mean that there are not going to be short-term buys in the market. Definitely there are going to be short-term buys, but always be careful when you are counter trading. Always make sure your confluences are perfect when you are counter trading. Counter trading is way riskier than following the trend in the market. So basically, we know that is our last high, so we can drop to our 4-hour time frame to see what is going on in our 4-hour time frame. Right now, we are seeing a retracement in our daily time frame. So let's see what our 4-hour time frame tells us. From this zone, we have a push down, a retracement, a push down, a retracement, and then another push to the downside. So we understand that this is our last high in the 4-hour time frame. This is our last high in the 4-hour time frame. Right now, I'm actually buying on BTC to clear this particular high in the market, and that is what my entry model tells me, that the buy is still in play. That is why you saw that I bought BTC, but you can see that I didn't aim for too much risk to reward. I only aimed for 1:4 in the market, and I'm out of the market already. You might expect that it clears this high and then BTC just reverses and starts coming down till it takes out this point. But basically, BTC can decide to wick above this high, then start pushing down. You understand? So that is why I didn't take the sell for long term. So when we check our 1-hour time frame, let's check our 1-hour time frame to see where our protected high is. So now 1-hour time frame, we also realize that this is also our protected high because this was the last high that took out a liquidity. If you view this part deeply, you will realize that there is it's an equal high right there. It's not an equal high, sorry. Let me use this. You can see, if you view it deeply, you can see it that way, that BTC in the 1-hour time frame, there was a sweep of the liquidity. I hope you can see it properly now. There was a sweep of that particular liquidity in the market. There was a sweep of it, and maybe there was a sweep of it, we saw this push, the break to this level, and that tells you that this is still these are actually our protected high in the market. Now, and after the take out of that liquidity, we saw this immediate pushback here. And we all know that when you are buying, when in the market, in our 1 hour time frame, immediately after the sweep of a liquidity and the break of structure, the first pullback, the first successful pullback in that market is a what? Is an inducement. So we might see BTC coming, pushing higher. That was why I started, I'm still buying BTC. That is why I'm still buying BTC, because I expect BTC to take out this high. So I don't know if BTC will keep coming till it gets to this particular order block right here, supply zone. You can see it here, this order block, and the other block also has an imbalance. So BTC might be coming right into this zone. I am not saying it will, but there is an high tendency that BTC will be pushing upside to this zone before dropping again. And seeing that right now, we can realize that immediately BTC did a market structure shift in the 1 hour here. You can see a market structure shift, a pushback, market structure shift, a pushback, and we can see market still pushing to the upside in BTC USD. So basically, what I'm expecting on BTC this week is a continued push. That is my expectation on BTC. I'm expecting BTC to keep buying till it gets to this level. Then we can start seeing a selling pressure. So I'm expecting BTC to come to around 78,000 before dropping again to around 60,000. But you can see BTC actually rejected off 60,000. BTC actually rejected out of this psychological level 60,000. So BTC might come to around this zone back and start going to 50,000. So you might continue to see a strike in BTC, massive push down in BTC. So I'm expecting BTC to go bullish this week, and after the bullish movement, I'll be expecting some sales. I'll be expecting massive sales in the market. So you should be careful with these buys, because the buys are risky, but BTC is buying. If you want to learn my entry model, remember I host a 1 month mentorship. 1 month mentorship. So you can DM me and I'll teach you strategically how I navigate the market. If you want a one-on-one mentorship, it's for 1 week. One-on-one, just me and you. One-on-one, just me and you. It's for 1 week. But if you want a group mentorship, that spans for 1 month. Have a nice week ahead.